Greetings everyone, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be showing you how to use Reklaim. Now, Reklaim is an app that used to be known as Keely. So I made a video about Keely many months ago, but now this is an updated version of the app. So basically what this is that this is the same thing. It's where advertisers and other people get your data from marketing and other sources, and it rewards you for data. So the basis of this app is that your footprint allows you to look at your data numbers and see what you get out of it. So they don't sell your data in this app because your data is your own and they want to make sure that it keeps that way. So this is the menu. This is the main home page that you have here, and then on the top right is the number of points you get. So every 1,000 points you earn, it allows you to cash out into a gift card or a donation or Bitcoin. You can earn Bitcoin using this app. So it says here you earn 50 points this week, and the monthly earnings is 200 points, which is paid in 5 days. So every day that you use it, you use 100 to 200 points. I've already redeemed something for October 21st that was 2 days ago, and basically I used that as a Visa gift card for $10, and it was really nice. You can choose other gift cards as well. So you can take polls to get more points, and then you can also use a referral code. I have a referral code in the description below so that you can use that code to earn yourself some points alongside me. And then once you do that, you can start earning right away. And the great thing is you can sign in with email so that you can allow your credentials to pass over. So this is just information about who's buying your data and then selling your data, and then where has data been breached. This is not necessarily important unless you are concerned about where your data goes. So essentially, this is basically a rebranding of the Keely app known as Reklaim. And that is all that I can tell you. It's the same app, it just has a different look. And like I said, you can use the referral code in the description below so that we can earn points alongside each other. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and thank you for watching this updated video.